Alright, American German Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, units F and G, in the back, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411, call or text, 310-804-4185. Volkswagen, Audi, and Japanese car repair, and Volkswagen and Audi parts specialist. 2013 Volkswagen Jetta 2.5 liter. I'm going to show you how to change the radiator fan. It's pretty easy. Mainly, most of the operation is going to be from underneath, but you can get the top two shroud star bit bolt screws from the top. 30 star bit, you can get those from the top, but the other two you get from the bottom. You first have to remove the cover. That's 8 25 star bits to remove the bottom cover. And then you can pull the complete fan assembly down, and I changed the small one, but they're both pretty much the same. On the back there's three 10mm nuts that hold it. Just take those three 10mm nuts out, unplug it from the main fan, or if you're changing the main fan, unplug it from the little fan, put the new one on, screw it back on, and then put it all back together. The main thing you have to remember is you must do it from the bottom. Most of the operation, except for the top two 30 screws, star bit screws, is done from the bottom. Also, I'm changing the radiator hose, the big radiator hose, this one, and that also can be done because you pretty much have to remove the fan to get to it anyway. So if you want to change the long radiator hose, you can do that with the fan removed, and it's also done from the bottom. Max, a German Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 310-804-4185. Thank you.